Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and I'm about to share with you how you can make $200 this week. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you a quick way, an easy way to earn $200 this week. Now, I could say you can earn it today, which is possible, but I want to give you a little bit of leeway, and I don't want to be too crazy with it. But you can make $200 today if you really want to hustle and grind. All right, this is how you could do it. Acorns. All right, this is a I guess you can call it an app, money saving app. It's a way that you can actually save money and actually invest in the stock market at the same time, right? And that, so it's like a win-win, right? Save money and invest in the stock market. Now, here's the thing. They're running a special right now, and they do this several times out the year, so depending when you're watching this video. If you're watching this video in July, which is it's July 5th right now, 2019, if you sign up right now for Acorns, it's free to sign up. I would recommend at least having at least $5 to $10 just to throw into to invest, right? At least have $5 to $10 to invest, right? Now, once you join Acorns, which is basically free, but like I said, I recommend just putting some money in your account. Once you set up your Acorns account and you set it up to you connect it to your bank account or your debit card or credit card, once you're all good, you actually get the opportunity to invite friends, all right, for free. They'll give you a referral link. All you need to do is invite 5 people that open up a free Acorns account, right, and get it active. 5 people, they will pay you $200. They will put $200 into your Acorns account. So just think about it. Right now, matter of fact, you should just click off the video, link below. Click on that link, get started if you're not with Acorns. And hit Facebook up, yo. Hit Facebook up. Go on Facebook and put on there, make a post, and put who would like to earn $200 this week. Type yes in the comments if you want to know how. Listen to me. Make a post. Join Acorns right now, right? Get your link, get your stuff set up. It'll take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, right? You will get your referral link. Go to Facebook. Do not post your referral link on your wall. This is what you do. You make a post that says, who wants to make $200 this week? The description of this video, the title of this video. Put that on your Facebook and then type me or I do, anything. Put it in your post. Type, in quotes, type yes. People will type yes, right? Or I will, or send info. When whoever does that, you private message them and you say, hey, this is how you can use this free app and refer 5 friends and earn $200. It's that easy. That's what you need to do, guys. And if you do that, make like 2 posts like that a day. Just 2 simple posts on just your Facebook, right? You should be able to get 5 sales. I'm about to do it. Like I said, I just seen this offer like yesterday, so I'm gonna do it. Easy way, guys. And worst case scenario, no one signs up, but guess what? You're still invested in the stock market and you're still saving money with Acorns. So it's really a no-lose situation. So even if you're with Acorns right now, you can do the same thing. But if you're not with Acorns, you need to get you an Acorn account right now and just get everything hooked up and refer your friends to it. Obviously, if you're on Instagram, you could do the same thing. If you're on YouTube, you could do a video just like I'm doing. Just title it different, put a little spin on it, whatever. But guys, easy money. Let's get it. It's that simple, guys. You just learned a way to earn an extra $200 this week. I mean, what else do you want, right? So that link is in the description of this video. Also, check the full description of my video, and you can see all the other money-making opportunities that I'm involved with and that I recommend. So check those out. If you have any questions, my actual real phone number is in the description of this video as well. Call me if you got some legit real questions, like real questions I can help you out with. I will get back to you. Be sure to subscribe. This video too long. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.